Scientists have discovered that, over the past 45 years, heat waves have become longer, hotter, and more dangerous. Since 1979, the duration of extreme heat periods has increased by 20%. Chinese scientists from Sun Yat-sen University found that heat waves worldwide have become broader, hotter, longer, and more hazardous to both human health and the environment. The study was published in the scientific journal Science Advances. Data analysis revealed that since 1979, the speed of heatwave movement has decreased by 20%, meaning people caught in them are exposed to high temperatures for longer periods. Meanwhile, the frequency of such events has increased by 67%. According to the research, global heatwaves lasted an average of 8 days from 1979 to 1983, but from 2016 to 2020, this duration increased to 12 days. Eurasia, in particular, suffered significantly from prolonged heat waves. The specialists' conclusions are based on computer modeling results, which indicate that the intensification and prolongation of high-temperature periods are linked to heat emissions from fossil fuel combustion. The results show that longer, extended, and slowly moving adjacent heat waves will have a more destructive impact on human health and the environment in the future. If greenhouse gas emissions continue to rise and effective measures are not promptly implemented, emphasize the authors of the study. As the planet continues to warm, heat waves will persist even longer, says Wei Zhang from the University of Utah. Based on the trend, it could double to 16 days by around 2060, he says. The team found that heat waves tend to move in specific directions depending on prevailing conditions. For example, there is a strong tendency for heat waves to move southeast in Australia, while in Africa, they tend to move westward. Other studies have shown that hurricanes are moving slower, says David Killings from the University of Florida. This means that these incredibly dangerous events will last longer in any one place, and the consequences will be felt more strongly. Generally, the longer the population is exposed to heat waves, the higher the level of hospitalization and mortality, he says.